Up around me left off my blood clot ill. You can't trust up my people in bar, batty boy. Go suck out. Well, you're my jagger. Me soon chat to you, yeah?
Believe.
Yeah, man, I want to look a dirty waist boy. Suck out, yeah, man. Me can call all the girl too. Me can call all the girl too. Me can call the girl when I go up a scheme for. Right now, I'm going to make it dark. Send me a picture of them. When me I move out the girl from Pop's yard. Me go lift up a picture of them and proof them. My chat will believe me. Me go lift up a proof them. When me go over a scheme where Pops YG live. Over a scheme. Me I lift up a picture of them. In our house, wrong stop, his sheet blood up. His sheet blood up more than life. Me say God for sin me. If me I tell a lie, Shani J. Me say God for sin me. Shani J, me say me I lift up a picture this week. Me I lift up a picture this week. With over Pops yard, the sheet blood up in there. Pat throw down pan ground. Boot throw down there so close throw down there so. Pops go suck your man. Go suck your man. Me have your file. You shouldn't come about Blue Royal. Now blood clot. Me. Pops YG. Me pull up by scheme theme. Down to his security say Pops a batty boy upon the scheme. Me say me go move out the little girl. The little girl say Pops when you want fuck him in a batty. The girl will cook a bully beef and rice. Cause bully beef and rice went in a pot. The pot when they are grown, my people. The pot when they are grown.
Welcome back to our next episode of Foreign Goals TV. You see me? So listen, how comes, now do the regular scrolling on the TikTok and see this brothers also again. You see me? See a man we talk so much about Batty. You see me? I say, you won't believe say him have any link with nobody we have no kind of allegation on them name. You see me? After we are listen where him a talk about, I realize all of the things where him a accuse the man of doing, I wish part time bust up and thing. Then, yeah, you mean for say you sit on for all of that for all long, all of that information there for all long. You probably go back out to the man again, you touch shoulder the man after all of that. You talk about say what year when you want him the KFC and him so-called dash you $1 million and blah blah. But me I realize say it's because the man them wait, me I tell you, cause what I really I say is I won't need do anything for clout and money. To really sit down and hear a man a trace like this, dog, it bring tears to my heart, brother, for know so the man them really like this now. People, me I tell you, I know what the world I go to, dog. Then I say, the whole Jamaica might sink like Port Royal to Bumbo, well, me I tell you. But anyway, people, back to the video.
You know, rental. And the
the
dancer
dog
girl.
broke them time there.
Alright. We show you the dancer girl them start dance with Palm Prudent. Then me take out about 3,000 out of $100 and start dipping girl them. And when I get me pay girl them to start dance from Pops. Me pay girl them to dance from Pops. Me pay girl them to dance from the three nigga them. And I know say yo, it's three
So
man.
hold on. All them money I show on the media, buck two money them there.
I bought 2 money them.
Bumbo club.
Me tell you say bro. Alright, me can call all the owner fee bar. Me can call the owner fee bar. Me the tip 4 girl them. The 4 girl them me say me tip. Me can get 2 and I dancer girl them. Me say 4 girl them me tip. Me tip 4 girl them. 4 and Pam Pops and he look a Batman friend them. Because me I say me no boy come tell you no lie. Me believe the girl too. And that's why I left the bar so quick. That's why I left the bar so quick. Because I know some batty will tear out and he red up, he blood up. Ziggy, me tell you so when the girl call me for come up and scheme, Ziggy. Well, I'm going to get to my dog. We have the video them and the picture them for over a scheme.
Bumbo club. Yo, no say them on a batty man, you know.
But get to the dog right now.
Batty boy, them boy want to come
He put their man bedside. He put their man bedside with bully beef and rice in there. Bully beef and bumbo clot rice. Just believe, be a white there on the pot. Be a white. Mr. Bro, all the blood clot boot. Bro, me couldn't take it.
And the man come over the Blue Royal for that. Bro, and the man did the Blue Royal so bad, man.
Alright.
I try man them loving a dog.
Hold on, I'll call the dog. I'll call the dog and tell him to send. Because for me real jogger. Wrangler. Yeah, you hear me, Wrangler? Yeah, you hear me? When you get to such man, what's up on the scheme? When you get to the dog on the scheme, yeah, you hear me? Yo, my jagger.
Yeah.
You don't hear me? Yeah, hear me now. Hold on, man. Yeah, hear me, my jagger. Wrangler.
Where you going?
Yeah, hear me?
Chew.
I want get the picture with me. Remember the day when I go for Popsy, I'll go move out the girl, my brother. West side. Ziggy. West. You have a video?
Bumbo Clout.
Hold on. You find the video? Bro.
Yeah, hear me now.
Yeah, I get the video and the picture when I move out the girl from over Popsy yard. It's the same girl will say, it's the same girl will say Popsy and fuck him in a batty hole. I get the picture, all of the girl in night, I bring him down too. So I send the picture and the video and everything. No man, I rub him out. I rub him out West Bank time, I diss me. I rub him out. Bro, I send it come, my dog, send it come. The people them say I lie, me I tell, send it come.
I bring him down, I bring down.
I bring him down, my dog, I bring him down. I make you know, so yo, and him have my file, and me have theme file. Yeah, and him have my file, and me have theme file. So,
but Jabba still already.
Yo, brother, if you don't get the video, I could even a picture. Cause he know it house.
Tell him to receipt. We don't want a receipt.
He know the house. So when he see me post it on my green screen and I diss him up, he go know say yo, lock off in live and don't come live for y'all one 4 or 5 months. All 1 year completely.
So long, bro. Keep down for a week, man.
Me say, alright, bro, if you don't get the picture, me know me can get it, bro. So don't fuck up me killer. Me know me can get it, bro.
Yeah.
I could even picture you can get from me, bro. Me know me can get it, bro. You know, say, if me go a real dog foot with Abby, the dog go send me. Cause dog no like pops. You don't know that already. The dog go give me it. So if you can get just a picture for me, the picture is enough. You don't have to send a video. You don't have to send a video. Just send a picture.
You can't show the video. So.
We not gonna show no video. I picture alone we are show. Yeah, when me I move. Alright.
Bumbo Clout.
More than nobody. That Ziggy, you believe me say a little girl say Pops to do and fuck him in a body?
Me not ask you, I tell you.
Bro, me no need for cap Ziggy, I'm up here me come from.
Jabba tell we already. Jabba call one girl.
Ziggy.
Yeah.
The girl ball too if you come film on the scheme. A ball the girl ball too, bro. Alright, them the time that Pops get locked up. 5 of them they drive in a car with DC. 5 of them they drive in a car with DC. Before what day? Now what day? Ask him if I lie, me not tell. Everything when me talk are true, me no cap. Pussy go pay your bill up, man. Bumbo Clout bar. Dirty batty man. You come back on, where do you go KFC? You go over KFC. So you want to me that them sorry for him. You talk about that show much money. Talk about that show much. Bumbo Clout money at KFC. No go so. Ziggy about 8 grand boy dash way. About $8,000. And he telling me that send dash $500,000.
Bumbo Clout.
Buck to fuck him and Nitro and pay 2 of them.
Me know.
Buck to deal with them. And that Blue Royal
feel it in the dog.
And that Blue Royal tell me.
Is for you left your place. I mean, me everything now, Vice.
T Marie, big up yourself, T Marie. T Marie, big up your Bumbo Clout self in that chat, T Marie. Me say, Ziggy, you say if I T Marie away my sister, and Pops, this my sister, then we there. You say, see, box him on my game. I'm not hurt him enough.
Broad board, some 2 before.
Me say, son, 2 before me lick him in the face.
I mean,
you see, all Nitro.
Batty boy, them know.
Boy, bro, see me here Nitro, deal with Blue Royal, man, bro.
Oh, it's like a joke. Me not ready to see it. I don't ready for that boy. I don't ready to see it yet.
Bro,
So,
you have
we need Nitro.
Nitro, see me here.
No, me love Blue Royal. Hey, boy, Nitro, watch it.
Bro, Nitro, see if I'm a mother, you this son Nitro. Nitro different Blue Royal, let me see.
In a dog.
Bro,
All the girl mother in a dog.
bro. The boy this blue mother, you know, bro. The boy Nitro, you know. Nitro knows a buck to fuck him, you know. Nothing I don't know. Nitro know that. Nitro know bumbo clock that's a buck to least land in a batty wall, you know. Big old Congo mirror such a port in batty wall and buck to a cam go hospital, you know. Me say, Nitro, yeah, buck to them no call Moby on the name and pops. Don't call Moby a name. No call up Moby man them name pussy. You know one dirty batty man. Pussy with no blood up. I'm not Ziggy.
Me say, I should even know, bro. Bro, they don't know what them a do. Bro, go and go and be a fucking dog. But when I go to them batty boy in a bad man. When I do them thing in a bad man, when I disturb them mother in a dog.
Bro, me hear it in a 1-5 dog and
Man, you the man must say, Blue Royal, mother worse than her. It's like a joke dog. Me say, batty boy Nitro. Hey, wait till we clip live. Wait till we clip live, batty boy. Wait, it's a new pop 5G. You got somebody deal with you. You got somebody deal with batty boy. Somebody deal with pussy.
Bro, me even have no appetite feet, bro. Me even have no appetite feet, bro.
Every day they come over here, come bring me down and go and troll the girl man, and call people low life and dog me that way. When they do like on the pussy. When they do like on the pussy. We never expose no girl yet. No time.
Never. Never.
Yo, we entertain the girl going and cuss with K, man. One of the girl them. One of the girl them going and go and baiting with. If a bear screen, I can't go and baiting and keep away on the girl them.
I will keep it up active. I will keep it up active.
Them know.
I will keep it up active. Bro, we know this girl. I Clout with girl.
Them know that. Them know that dog.
I send girl a road. Make girl
them know that dog.
I rank
them
you play with. I celebrity you play with. Poche, big up yourself, Poche. Boy, Pops, get to me.
So, right now, watch out.
Watch out, Ziggy. I'm short wet. I'm short wet, me dog. Watch out.
Right now, my friend. I trade even know that.
Watch out.
I love Blue Royal bad man. Love Blue Royal bad man. You know what? I love Blue Royal bad man.
Watch out. My cough still all water wet me up in me sweat wet me shot.
I love Blue Royal bad man.
Me sweat wet me shot. Me tired of them now. Them have to come down, Ziggy.
Them me love no woman dog. I be a batty them fuck dog. A batty boy buck to. So the boy them buck to. So the boy them buck to dog. So the boy them buck to. I broke out the whole of them up and fuck the whole of the youth them dog. Use the money and fuck the whole of the youth them buck to. I buck to for leave now. Buck to for left the media brother. Buck to for top fuck the youth them brother. When I use the money and fuck out the youth them bad man. Pops to the man bitch in a dog. I said I'm gonna rate him again a bad man. Pops to the man bitch.
Bro, remember good no man. Remember good no man. You hear me?
I mean.
Remember say when I tell you know. When Pops went there with Team Marie, you know. Remember say every second Pops and Team Marie they in a car buck to the call off the phone, you know. Team Marie can't get a chance to go out with him look gigolo, cause gigolo that you know. Me nah go say man. It's a gigolo. Team Marie couldn't get a chance to go out with the gigolo. Cause me nah go say him is a man. Him is a batty boy. Remember say every second blood clot Team Marie if you say alright then if you out him pussy, make it out the batty boy should be in long tongue down there. Every second I buck to the call off the phone. Cause big suck pussy boy. Lick out all batty hole. Go suck out your man. You can't this Team Marie. Team Marie pissing in your face. Golden shower. Fi drive Benz. Suck your man. I want Team Marie. Batty boy. I want Marie. I want Bumba Clout Team Marie.
Bro, the man want me this Team Marie and Team Marie a woman where if me this Team Marie go come and buy the answer feed my dog. I buy the answer feed my bad man.
Hold on. Look how Team Marie sit down in her face. Look how Team Marie sit down in her face on the upper yard. Sit down in her face. Sit down in her face.
Yo, the man beg me for this Team Marie one night.
Flush straight and
cheap. The man beg me for this Team Marie one night. I say, bro, Pops, I can't this Team Marie.
I want Bumba Clout Marie. One Team Marie. Remember say buck two up. Me tell you say buck two on the top in a people relationship. From when he want fuck Pops and he do fuck Pops. And from him fuck Pops the one time. From him fuck Pops the one time. Team Marie no see the boy again.
She
What
know,
day
she
when
know,
Buck to
she
when they
know,
are what I
she
know?
know, she know.
What day when Buck to when they are foreign?
Team, you have to run because she don't want to pussy shit up.
What day when Buck to when they are foreign? What day when Buck to when they are foreign and pop and police world pops? I ball him a ball to Team Marie when my try to style. Suck your ma. Me glad Team Marie ain't come. Suck your mama. Me sorry
And
name
she
there in
from a
front of
pussy
the
that
street.
shit up.
Me I
You
can
have to run.
I'm throwing your face. Batty
You
boy.
got to run.
Suck
Oh, you
out
know
your
that
mother.
pussy, girl, them pussy.
Bumbo walk.
And D, make sure D, they make pop fuck you know. Hey D, oh blood clot D, make sure they make pop fuck you know. Make sure they make pop fuck you know D.
Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me Ziggy lifestyle? Yeah, hear me Ziggy
Yeah,
lifestyle?
my God.
It's a two of my curb. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me?
Everything me I hear.
D a careless girl.
No dog, bumbo clan,
So
no
don't, so
dog.
don't, so let me tell you this. Me hear D that diss me. Me
Hmm?
hear D that diss me.
Take her down, take it down, take it down.
Let me tell you this, man.
Take
Anybody
it down.
can fuck D. Anybody can fuck that dirty girl. Look upon him good. Pops goosey fuck you already. And he so-called Pops cock. That girl there sweet girl.
That gonna batty, you know.
That girl there sweet girl. Hold on. You see D no far from this one. Let me show you them. Me no know what make them do on liar work. See me. Me no know what make them
Push her,
set
the
up on
same pussy
liar
one
work.
we have put up now.
See me, see me.
Got it again. Last night episode of
Oh God, man,
Watch
she
ya,
lost
watch ya,
herself up.
watch ya, watch ya. To him fuck down your whole mobile and can't sit down up and talk good. Him have to lay down. Look. Him have to lay down and talk. Oh, look. See eh? Tired of blood clot. In tired. Fuck whole night. In throat bun him. In hole bun him. Man fuck him in him body hole. Man fuck him in him pussy. In can't sit down up and talk. Him have to lay down. But chat, welcome back. Welcome back, your mama bumbo hole. Go look one work, do dirty thinking, girl. Well, be a Congo worm a drop out of your pussy. You and blood clot D if you go look one work, do. You no go find liar work. That's it. So, if a son can get up a man in time and can run people file and take up people case, what make you not go on one courthouse? What make you not go on one courthouse? So, since I saw no love it talking, what make you not go do liar work? Big thinking, unforgettable care, and lick up batty
Put up
D.
Shana, our friend them sell pussy. Our friend them muck out. I take it down. You
Yeah,
know what,
man.
I'll flick me live and I'm soon forward. I'm gonna show her something.
Flick on the live and forward. Flick on the live and forward. Me I bring down people this morning. Today's I bring down there. Today's I bring down there. Today's a bomb buckler I bring down there for 1 week. Yeah, Pops, go suck out your my Pops. And come pay your bill, Batty boy. Come pay your bill. And see you know, Nitro. Batty boy, me tell you, say Blue Royal and my sister. See if Blue Royal and my sister. And Bumba was Blue Royal mother. Was my mother pussy. Up I scheme me come for you. See my machine. Up I scheme me come for you, Batty boy Nitro. Up I scheme. Yeah, man. Shove them up on screen. Shove them up. Big old girl them. D and next one. I show me now no picture with D. I show me now no picture with D lifestyle. Start the match. I'm showing me now no picture with D.
See them there. My friend them fucking out of my beer. Them know some my friend them, my rich friend them, I fuck them. Hey girl, when you have some guac. When you have some short goat. Biggie that girl care. Bro, the girl come and beg me for a piece of the clout, dog. You offered up. You come back. You know nobody for cuss. Yeah, I think you come for chase you for what? She nah nothing for chase me. I give you something for chase me now. Big stinking pussy girl. My friend them want to fuck you down on my beer. I fuck out them out.
Them piss all in her face.
Me I send for your picture them and your video. Yeah, me I send for your picture and your video. Watch me, girl.
Me supposed to have one video with a girl in her white that suck cock and them piss in her face, you know. Me have one video with this a girl with the suck beer balls. This a one in her white. Me not get. Me have to go see if
My
me
friend
can
gonna
source
friend
one
first star
video.
fuck K, bad man.
Me have to go source the
Gonna
video
friend
with
first
K
star
too.
fuck K.
Me have to go source the video with K. Me have to go try find the video with K. Can you come back from
I should
TikTok?
kill in the media, man, dog. Should kill in the media, man. Kill them dead, we don't know them. Kill them dead, we not on the link. But it's a small world. It's a small world. Watch me, I that girl.
Hear him too, hear him. Let boy talk, boy have stand up for every woman.
underneath them. Cause suck your mother's dick Pinky and Zozo. I be a batty petition or a blood clot walk with. Me I stand up for Rosalie. Me I stand up for all of the girls.
Stand up for your blood class, self, dirty girl. Stand up for your blood class, self, think cold girl. You have beer Congo rum in your whole dirty girl. You have yeast infection.
Hold on,
Dirty thinking girl.
Zozo, Rosalie ever tell us that she want about the help her? I buy them a piece of the clout, she look.
Piece of cloth. A piece of cloth, she look. So me I give her a piece of cloth.
I send for your file. I show her something.
Me I give her a piece of cloth. Dirty girl go do BBL where the animal man left him. Girl go do BBL where the animal man left him. Here's a man fuck him and I'm body for do BBL. That girl there. Dr. Boy, Sir Brown. A Sir Brown me say man name. We do fear BBL. Sir Brown fucking your body wall care. Sir Brown fuck out your body wall for do your BBL. You never pay no money. Suck your man. And the man find out a Sir Brown fucking your body wall. The man left you. The man not bother there with you. He look bad for say man pay for make you go do your BBL. And you make one man fucking your body wall for you make your BBL done. Suck your man girl. You ain't nobody pan it up. There's a show me a company me tell you who you are. Your friend that's only called body wall. Man pissing in his face. I want all shittos. Want all broke bank. Cause no pretty muck of that. Cause pretty muck is better than uno. You want big dirty thinking girl. And dear baby, go lick out them body wall. Pops, go suck your my pops. I'm glad all over your pops. Come pay your bill, batty boy. Come pay your bill. And you may have take down now, pops. You come on my hall with the wall of your batty wall tear out. Suck your man. You come over the batty boy, come bake me cigarette. You trust all cup soup. Pops, are you there over here? Suck your my pops. Me I come back on the screen. Suck your my pops. Lick out your my pops. Pops, you come over my hall.
Batty man, pops, I can't play Blue Royal.
Suck pussy boy, pops. Now, pops. Batty boy, come pay for your cup soup. And come pay me for my cigarette, batty boy. You come on my hall and you show everybody underpants where there. You show everybody underpants where there. Boy, you have too much underpants. And the dancer girl say underpants we have on. Full of blood clot blood. Pops, me no want no flaws from you. Go suck your man. Me come up in a scheme where you did that. I want to tell the people them boy bully beef and rice. Tell the people them boy bully beef and rice. You're there for me live. Chat, see my son Rose. See Pops white here son Rose. Catch him. Who no catch him? Pops, you're a batty man. Pops, you're a batty man. Pops. Pops, me I tell you about to fuck out your batty wall. And Super Mish come and talk where you see a sucking cock. Super Mish, she him there on the live there. Super Mish come talk out time out. Say suck your cock from backstage. Suck out your man and Super Mish. And that's why Super Mish a try this skipper. Cause he want to get a cloth for say alright then. He must somebody. Oh no nobody. Pops, remember the Super Mish suck your cock from backstage. Super Mish suck your out from backstage. Super Mish suck your out from backstage, Pops. You can't talk to me. Pops, you can't talk to me, Pops. You have to come down. And you're there for my life. Me, I bring you down for you all of the week. Yeah. Pops, you come on my hall, come trust. Because of blood clot white rum. You can trust the white rum, and you trust one cup soup, and me pay for your cup soup, Pops. And me pay for your cup soup. Pops, your body will tear out. You lean up on the wall, there, so. You lean up on the wall. Because you know your wall of your body will tear out, and your blood clot now no money. Go suck out them, Pops. Me not add you. Turn on your life. And someone add you. Turn on your life. Me not add you no box. Turn on your life and come, Pops. Me attack it short, Pops. Turn on your life. Boy, send a MCB. Suck your my Pops. Boy, send a MCB. Turn on your life and come. Nobody coming. Turn on your life and come. Ziggy, me a cancel the match. Me a cancel the match. Turn on your life and come. Me a wait for you. Cause mix up start today. Everything me attack a truth. Me can call all blood clot Prudent and David. Let me see if me can get David now. Cause David I'm a boy too, you know. But send a NCB. Send a which NCB. Suck your man. Me a call David now. Cause me know one way you trust. And one way you wear come my people in party. You dash your 8,000 already over KFC. And me and you did it. And you tell me, so we tell the people them how much a $1 million you dash way. Boy, you dash your $1 million. And that you tell me to tell the people them on TikTok. And that you tell me to tell the people them on TikTok. Because you say TikTok go give back your money. You talk about how much. You dash your $1 million KFC batty boy. $8,000 you dash way. $8,000 you dash way. Wait for see him pull up. Because me have him file and him have file.
Boy, you rampid Blue Royal. Like you rampid Blue Royal waste boy. You rampid Blue Royal. None of bumbo class sense.
Boy, bring down people. Boy, bring down people. You know, so batty boy could have bring down people.
But the girl mother dog, the girl mother brother. In the
hold
girl
on.
alone, my deal, Moody said
Hold
nothing
on.
at all.
My Jagger just that call me back. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. Jagger just did that call me back. Hold on there. Jagger just did that call me back.
I know the killer.
Why pray me dog?
And then me there, dog, they go on normal off.
You remember the day when they come link me at KFC?
Yeah.
Pops dash you know $500,000 or no $1 million when you see him on the bus stop.
No drop your pussy, drop off a bus stop with about 20,000 in a hand, man.
With about 20,000.
Yeah, what am I looking at my gallery? I'm supposed to have a video on my phone, dog. Hold on.
Boy, you can't give a blood clot $500,000 and $1 million a beer. Go suck your my pops.
Remember, you tell me if you come link you and same time I pull up.
Yeah man, suck your my pops. Batty boy, come pay your bill. Come pay your bumbo clot bill. Yeah man. The security ain't go beat out in blood clot Ziggy. I feel me dog them. I feel I tell Ziggy say yo cool.
Me
Cool.
say the batty boy come and Rima. I hide the money in the trunk.
My friend, what's up? Yo.
Me I hear you.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Pops, I'm a little dog, but Pops come from the countryside and when I'm a dog, them fling a back and lick him in the face. You have to run go back and chill on the dog.
Me know you not tell no lie, me dog.
Alright, ask him about Mackerel Town. When you come at Flagstaff and about Mackerel Town, ask him what he get.
Ask him when get a mackerel town. In the on the live. Pussy.
When he go style up a Maroon Town as Mackerel Town.
He gonna style up a maroon town as mackerel town.
Yeah, and he get a buckle, you have to lift up. Man, he friend them all buck to it. All of them have to lift up all them car mash up same time.
He bends mash up.
One at a time, then car mash up. Ask him about it, you know about it.
And a liar tell. And a liar tell. Hold on, and a liar tell. Jacob when come and talk. Jacob when come and talk.
I'm so come, my brother.
Man, he come Flagstaff, man, come style the place as Mackerel Town, man. I'll be a buckle you get, man. I'll carry them scratch when they go, man.
Where's it? Hold on, where's it? Hold on, where's it? In coming out village, come style the people in town as mackerel town.
Mackerel Town, yeah.
And the man them beat out in blood clot, the man buck to them have to drive off.
Some buckle you get, man. And some buckle you get, man.
Me believe you.
And when they go, they carry scratch, dog.
Me believe you.
Tear off one side and front side. You dey panic blood clot up same way when I chat about it and post it.
Alright. Send me video them when you have and a picture of them me dog. I bring him down, me killer. I bring him down. When me tell him say I will say rapture, you know, believe. Batty boy Nitro that is Blue Royal mother. Me I take down Nitro to my jog.
But what? Blue.
What do we pops enough? Some
Alright, me killer.
alright, my jagger.
So Russian alone.
I hold 14 Ziggy. He hold 14.
Them know how we are wrangling them dog.
What?
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Dog up on a call. Hold on there.
My so the man them feel good at this two man, the girl mother and the dog.
Yeah, my jagger, give me a link. Give me a link as soon as possible. There. Give me a link there.
The girl mother and a TikToker brother.
What
Man, no respect of boundary dog.
there, man, everything good?
Yeah.
You remember a little batty boy pops come over for come trust out the bar? You remember? And you see him on a beg fee, you remember?
Yeah.
When come over the bar come trust if you remember?
I want fever.
If fever and what?
I some chase someone.
And trace and what again in trust? No, you remember say me give me craving out at 10 pack when he come in the bar?
Yeah.
Alright. You remember on the dancer girl say Pops YG batty will tear out and the blood up?
Yeah.
Allow me, hold on, allow me I tell me dog.
In a party, man, let me go to a party.
Alright. The underpants when we come up there, you ain't tear out for sure.
I mean, party boy.
Big batty boy. You hold on
Batty man. Oh, low life batty man.
The dancer girl can tell we pussy. You come on my all. Come trust me jagger. You remember the day when me go up ice scheme, go move off a girl off ice scheme? You remember the day me go up ice scheme? You remember a girl when me go for up ice scheme? The girl will pop to do and fucking her in batty hole. Remember that girl when me go for up ice scheme?
Have you guys again?
You remember a little girl I'm go for up a scheme, dog, and the girl saying afraid of Pops because Pops want fuck him in him body. You remember that girl there?
Every girl then?
Yeah, and he have his sister cross it free. You remember?
Yeah.
You remember say girl give with Pops YG file. Everything we boy. Get a picture of them. Get a picture of them. Because I don't want nobody feel something cap. Tell such man say, if you send a picture of them, when we go move out the little girl from over Pop's yard. You see him night when we go over Pop's yard, go see pot with the bully beef and the rice mixing in one. The rice and you remember the night there?
You get that
The girl, alright. The girl from Sav. You remember him? Yeah, you remember him?
You get that You remember brown girl, man?
Where they walk with the heap of suitcase and something.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Get a video of them, my dog. Get a video of them. Get a video of them. Get a video of them, my jagger. Me and you we talk. I bring down Pops. Today me I bring down Pops. Pops cannot this blood clot Blue Royal. Him now.
And I'm mother. And I'm mother. Brother, them Blue Royal alone. I'm
don't
girl mother.
Get the video. Get the video, please. Get the video and the picture.
Take it on pussy. Watch
it. Me I put it on my green screen. Me I put it on my green screen. And a Chini girl name. And a Chini girl name chat. Me know Chin. Chin a one Marga one. We do promotion work. And a Chin. Chin bleach out. And a Chin. Chin up. And a Chin.
So, big man thing, them a bring we down for all go on and go out with and entertain the girl them. And when the girl them keep, them a bring we down for that.
Alright, chat.
And look what Uno do to the girl them now. Look what Uno do.
Alright, you see the girl I'm go for? You see the girl I'm go for up a scheme, Ziggy?
Yeah.
That girl is 18-year-old. And see next one was 17-year-old. Two little girl have on the scheme. And a me go for a little girl where 18-year-old. Can't go up on yard where mother there. I want a little baby up there when you can't little girl. And me go for a little girl where 18-year-old. And Pop to that one 15-year-old in there fuck. He ma fuck it two girl them. And if you show you how a 15-year-old love the fuck, he say nah left out I house. He say nah left out I house. Say end up where I girl where 18-year-old. Me end up move with the suitcase them. Me take as I smile and take picture I do over here. You want to see picture them? Wait till me show you a picture them. I saw me a kid me teeth. Say me go up on yard, go take away a girl out of the house. Cause I want to fuck the girl in her body wall. But picture me take up there. All in her house, where pot their ground. With the bully beef and rice. Bully beef and rice. We do much blood clot, white maggot. Chat, you know when I put on rice in a blood clot house for nearly 1 week, they go 2 weeks. You know that? Hold on there. You know they look a worm there. And then worm there in a pot. When me go up a boy yard. It pot think. It pot think. Boy, go suck ya man. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. Maggot in a pot. Me say me I get the video them and picture them in idea. And if them man there, no send me it. Alright, so one more jagger you know about Pops. Yeah, me jagger. What galang?
Yes, I am there.
You know, sister from when I be. You hear me?
Yeah, I'm here now, yeah.
What, you remember the day when Pops come over? You remember the day when Pops come over, so?
Oh, that's up a few boy place.
Yeah. You remember Rapture when come go on it up there? Why Rapture when did go on it the night?
Oh, some cup soup thing when take on a paper.
Cup soup when take on a paper and what again?
So I want tear up on the pants.
And the tear, alright, Ziggy, hold on Ziggy, you hear me not tell the dog boy tear up underpants?
Yeah.
Mr. Bro, a girl say man underpants tear out and blood then a man underpants. More than, God don't sin me if me tell a lie. He dance a girl say blood then a TikTok underpants. And me say a liar tell. Me say a liar tell. Me say a lie ma tell Ziggy. When me go out there go look, he ask you tear off a mile hill. Tear off a hill. Me I say no. Big TikToker come a mile with the underpants tear out. In pants that chop off him and the girl say beer blood. Beer blood then a man underpants body wall. See me nigga, he wall like dog them up there. He wall like dog them up there and come up there with 5 nigga. Me say me jagger, I'm a try bring me down and me have in file, me jagger. You believe me? Alright. Alright. In night when he come out of Airbnb, he not just shaky. In night when he come say when he got prudent got 27. He not come out they look like one madman.
Sure, so can't buy no for drink.
Can't even buy no for drink. And the same night, police stop him. He might come beg. A prudent you want beg a money. Prudent you want beg. And this a man on the beg for him. What up on the phone? And me I tell this a man I say, no sir. We now wait for no man we are par with 7 man in a bus. 7 man in the par in a bus, Ziggy. 7 man.
Bumbo Clout.
And he left for 7 man them out the door. He left for 7 man them out the door in night. Yeah. Yeah, hear me? Me Jaga, me soon call them. Me I bring them down. Me I bring them down, my dog. Me soon knock you back here. Batty boy come over people in bar. You can trust cup soup. Batty boy, remember you can trust cup soup. You can trust one flash of fever with 3 Red Bull. And your blood clot. You see as in drink as the cup soup, Ziggy?
Yeah.
See it here. Me not see when he move. Me not see when he move, Ziggy. That bus mate come here under 3 buckle of rum. Me not see when the batty boy move.
Yeah, because I have no money for pay it.
But me know when he come in the bar, he come beg me a cigarette. And then me see him go down in him pocket, them like a lighter or money him a look for. Then me return to the bartender and say, oh, what over there ready? Me know say food they sell in a bar. Yeah, they ask bartender, what ready? Yeah, they ask bartender, what is
Hungry
ready?
I kill him.
What is ready?
He
Me know
wouldn't
say
pay for
bar
food
sell
either.
food. He look up there and see cup soup. You know when one little baby wants something on them pine panny?
Yeah.
I saw my pine panny cup soup. Give me that now. And Mr. Watch it, girl, give me cup soup. And see by the time a man clear the cup soup, Ziggy, the man bust the blood clot flask and I see him show some and 2 friend them cup. And he go through the Red Bull. And I say I can't tell if I front door he go through or his side door or the next door there so. But I know he go through one I do them. And watch you now. He like you need to try hide from the crowd. But you what I tell you, me pay the dancer girl them to dance upon them.
Yeah.
When I get them like they rate him. So, you see as he walk out, the girl say him a look up in a pop's body hole. The girl say in a pop's body hole him a look. It look like an entrance that the girl see. We buck to a fuck him in a. The whole like back part tear out and blood up. The girl say he come like a pile in the davin and body hole. When buck to a fuck him, the blood leak out pan him. Ziggy, you know me not cap. You know me not cap, Ziggy. God boss made in a live chat. Me I bring him down. Suck your ma, you're Nitro and Buck Tour. Who can this Blue Royal, nor the mother. And me I represent for them. Me, Wrangler, I bring down boss. Suck your ma, Batty boy. And if I'm a sister, pops, me I tell you. You see, if I'm a sister, you deal with so. It's like how me know say you owe for 1 flask of white rum and you owe for cup soup. It's like how me know say you owe for them something there. And if I'm my sister, you this pops YG. Bro, remember say me know you, bro. Me know where you come from, bro. A simple 1, 2, easy does it. A 5 bills make a bike wheel portal. 5 bills. Shot a couple of backs. Well, I'm saying which one of him? But he was say you got a place, so I don't have to touch you. See you got a Maroon town there. Go call the people in Mackerel town. And what you get? You can't go back, you can't pass the blood clot Malden town. Yeah, hold on, I try to show you. Walk with grace, I try to show you, say, I trust the man can't trust the cup soup, and me pay for them. I trust the man can't trust, and me pay for them. You get what I say, Ziggy?
Yeah.
Come there in that bar and I say, God know you, I can't make a bartender shot. I now make a bartender shot. So I pay for your flask of rum and I pay for your cup soup. So key man. I then go make a bartender shot. I trust them, but I may pay for them. I may pay for them. So key man. Bumbo will have to come down. You have to come down.
All the man them feel good at bring down somebody mother dog.
Buck to a fuck out your body wall and bust your pile. Buck to a fuck out your body wall and bust your pile. Buck to a fuck out your body wall and bust your pile, Pops. You can't talk to me. Whole of this a week and I bring it up. Ziggy.
Bro.
People gonna say a Clout me a look.
Overlook Clout from Pops. Overlook Clout from Pops, dog. Who's Pops for look Clout? A Pops come look Clout for man name bro. If they not got a Batman thing over there, but now go over there and watch them in the dog. One play bad man. A Pops come look Clout and call long man fall for Clout. Overlook Clout from Pops. Pops can entertain. Pops have nothing about him for say yo, him is that. Pops tell every content creator dog. Now what the bomb look like this? We can't look Clout from Pops, overlook Clout from Pops. Pops name Jaden. Eh? Pops name Swissley. Pops name Royal Dog. Pops name Rosalie. Or the blood clot. You think good man, remember good. Look at who up on the screen, bro. If you want to chat them fuck with it. But
I ain't just one cup soup.
Okay, yes, to Clout and pull up over there and have a cup soup in that place.
And I name a cup soup and
the dog, the game, so that's what I said.
Alright, dog. Remember hot water dog game? Alright. I remember when the dancer girl come in and say, oh, the TikToker hand up and steer out and blood up, so. You remember when the dance? No, if I lie, me I telling them my dog, man, tell me, you know.
I really think that.
And I know Captain unforgettable. He dancer girl come and say, no. The dancer girl says, so. Oh, you depend TikTok, where do you? And Pop depend TikTok so long. And he hand up and steer out and red up, so.
Thank you.
A couple nigga, you're my dog. Me I reach out today. I bring him down. I bring him down, my dog.
Guys, everybody big up your cap. Thank you.
Me nah cap. Now real life. No geek, no, what I geek, no. Me reach out, my dog. You're half the year. Me reach out when me done. Yeah. You come over a blood clot bar.
Like
a big kid tracker.
Like me dear say, me no know from me know your pan me area I bring down everybody. So this is natural something for me no business who you want bit alter. Me no care.
Unforgettable. You believe unforgettable?
Believe what?
Say the boy a big thick tracker and come up there with the underpants with bloody knife and the boy like tear out.
I don't know. Me never did it. Me never did it. Me can't.
In come my party, come just rum. And he said, but remember Jagana, but I want Pops, we got cash. Tell Bland them said, you tap a cap. Tell who fi tap cap. Tell your bomber wall self a tap cap. Post a wall. Boy, you fuck back Team Marie. You can't fuck Team Marie. You out shit up. Members say they fuck Team Marie where they. And Buck to a fuck you away from Team Marie. Member good. Buck to a fuck out your body wall. And to a fuck sweet you. You left Team Marie with the fat pussy. Me tell you, you know, you see all that Uno go over there go tag Pops in a video them I put up. Uno no rate Blue Royal. And me now make them take down and the Bobs go buy pad for your Nitro. Nitro you come down. You hold this week and I tell you down the chair no. Suck on the mama. Go lick out on my body wall. Yeah.
Yeah,
you come over me people in bar hungry. You come over me. Yeah, next one for go buy one rope, Pops. Yeah, next blood clot one for go buy one rope. And go suck on the mama and come off a Blue Royal name. Yeah, next one for go buy one rope, Pops. Blue Royal, the Batman coming at me people in bar. Conscious cup soup, Pops. In conscious cup soup. Over 10 call me make to the Blue Royal. Over 10 call to them me make Blue Royal. And the whole of them me speak it. The whole of them me speaker. Everybody on the live here. Everybody on the live. Blue Royal, more you write down the whole of them name. More you write down the whole of them name. The whole of them name more you write down Blue Royal. Oh, all of who fi come down. Nitro, you suck Pops so till all braces you put in. Big suck pussy boy. Big dusty lean up boy. Remember your batty did a leak. And Blue go buy a pad. Batty man. Remember Pampa Blue did a pamper you. Why not that come out I like? Batty boy, go buy one stop leak for your batty wall. Cause Blue Royal and go buy them a pad for you. Members, you make buck to a fuck out your batty wall and you run out a Blue Royal house. Big dirty batty man. Member threesome you no do one night up at scheme house. Member threesome. Member say, you don't have no girl live in a house. And me have Link will live beside the pops. And then tell me say they hear somebody over there scream out. So that means there are 3 man they fuck over there. 3 man they fuck. Who now suck cock, they fuck out them one in the batty wall. Pops, you have to come down. And we nobody want the money where you open bar. We don't want the money where you open bar. Batty boy. Go suck your mama with that, Pops. Go suck your mama. Batty boy. You don't know channel. I will get a picture of them too. Cause me a flag you this week. Me not flag you, Batty boy. Me not flag you. So since you have proof with Blue Rock, me have proof with your to pussy. Batty boy. Me come up in your house and maggage in your pot. Bully beef and rice. Maggage in your pot. Over 2 weeks you put it down. Batty boy. Police lock you up on your drive on DC Benz. You have 5 man in a Benz. Batty man, you have to come down. You have to come down. You not Nitro and nobody. Buck to go find go make man. Pull him in a pantsuit. Buck to go find for man. Pull him in a pantsuit. White man play up in a batty wall. White man chub straw in a batty wall and suck out it. Big batty boy them. Man fuck Buck to in a prison over there. Buck to come and contact everything we're there. Nothing to hide. Buck to the stringing up like blood clot like wire. Dirty batty man. Buck to a lace landing on the batty wall. Suck your man Nitro. And suck your man Pops. And Blue Royal with my sister batty boy. You see any old Blue Royal with my sister? Batty boy, we have to run off for that scheme there. We have to run off for that scheme there, Batty boy. Me I tell you that. Go on there, beer. They are which blood clot beer. They are which beer. They are which blood clot beer. And so don't man have to tell you go suck out your man. Can't go back at golf. Suck your man, little boy. Yeah, nobody? None of you can bring down Blue Royal. None of you. None of you. I list more Blue Royal, give me. He list. Okay, where you turn over here with me, area circle.
Me? You know say me can't do them sitting here. You ever hear me I do this, Zozo? You know say me a vibe the girl already. Me can't cuss like a woman. Later.
Then can't this about man, no when me there. No when me there. No when me there.
Later, Zozo.
Alright, there go.
Yeah.
Alright, do it. No when me there. No when me there. What make any this man up at Maroon Town? What make any this man up at Maroon Town? We box up a bomber wall. What make any this man up at Maroon Town? Eh? What make any this man up at Maroon Town? We beat out a blood clot. What make any this man there? A Blue Royal I want this. Eh? A Blue Royal I want blood clot this. Ziggy. Royal just circle me, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Me tell him for right to listen, you know.
Yeah.
Hold on, see that? Me tell him for right to listen.
God on time.
Yo.
You bring down nobody?
No, not to them, my dog.
Circle then.
Alright, my dog. Alright.
See my God. Only for respect.
God on time.
Alright, my brother.
Big up here, my father.
Alright, my brother. Big up,
Yeah.
my dog. Yo, big up yourself, you know, girl.
Alright, God on time, I'm follow you.
Alright.
See there, that's a Blue Royal name. You know see it?
Yeah.
A while ago, me I tell Blue Royal to write the list. For me, I bring down you all of them.
Yeah, man, the boy, they have fish for two in a Zozo. I look a fish that. Yeah, blood clot, send man, a blood clot video, yeah, fucking girl. Waste, man.
Batty boy Nitro. Suck out your mama.
Man style that, man. That is a
Box
fish
TV.
style.
I take down and go on here.
I move so far there.
Oh, me I move. Me I take down Nitro. Box TV. Box system box. It's a Pops YG, my batty man here in a real life. You see my God.
Box
That's the never
TV.
going party.
Box
You
TV,
see
you
that?
hear what I go on Box TV.
Yeah, me killer. What go on Wrangler?
Blue Royal call me and make me know say all of Nitro batty wall when I leak with the up on yard, blood up his sheet. And he go buy pad for Blue for Nitro. Blue Royal. You know hear about that? Buck to a fuck out in batty wall.
Me hear Chabas
Yeah,
slap a song. I that me hear around the place.
Yeah man, believe man. And then me go hear more rumors now say Pops they suck Nitro cock up a scheme house. Back TV, me say me have one link. Me have one link beside Pops yard we live on the scheme. And the dog I tell me say, yo, in here, one little girl son over there. Day before yesterday, here one girl son over there. Somebody a ball in her house. Only if you know say in the morning, a bug to they come out of her house and Nitro and Pops. No girl no over there. They run out the two little girl them with the over there. They run out the two little girl them box TV. Cause who they
Bumbuckler.
scream in her house? Who did that scream?
I no
Who did
girl
that
no in
scream?
there. I no girl no in there.
I know girl not in there.
That not sound good.
Then I don't know prank them are doing there. I don't know prank. Who they scream?
Jaja. Jaja.
So
And this,
you have the proof, Zozo.
Ask you how much phone call me make this morning.
Yeah. Yo, the mama Batman dog.
Ask Ziggy how much phone call and everything when me talk confirm. Nana, me
Yo,
say everything confirm.
I saw me see me and Jabba about one skin and man add pop to
Nana,
IG. And
Nana,
pop to the mountain man call one
Nana. So
girl.
this morning when me call
Bumbo
everybody
clad.
who know boy rapture them, everybody who me call, me speak iPhone.
So you put it on speaker on the live.
Me put it on speak up on the live.
Blood clot and the neighbor them confess.
Everybody confess. And it took them a pops go and trust up a bar. And the night when he underpants so him blood up.
You know, send me face
From the double, you know, chat.
That confess to Box TV. Box TV that confess to.
See me can come
One.
here.
Bumbuckler.
That not sound good.
That not sound good, dog.
Not sound good.
Pops the top boy monkey people underpants. At the people them can confirm the blood up underpants when come up there with the whole like batty whole tear out. Everything confirmed. In can trust cup soup and everything. Come up there with bad feelings.
Javine, bad.
What is from the screen?
One Japan, you know, bad, make you know.
So what you say?
Them thing they are going, dog.
Yo, back Steve, and a big man level. You know, it's a blue royal I wanna weed, dog. Blue I wanna weed, bro. Blue I wanna weed, dog. You seen, bro? Pops know that, dog. Say, blue a streamer like weed, dog. Bro, if you are gonna use girl relationship to come and bring her down over here, Pops, you're a real batty man in a real life, dog.
Me not like the part
You know
where
the
him
feelings to woman, my friend. You see?
share, yeah,
I domestic affair that, Pops. Oh, you buy out that, dog. Cause you fuck Nitro. You're a batty man. You see?
But
You eat Blue Royal for your pass. Me glad the girl dig off long time cause pussy that shit up. Cause Nitro bust up. And she have to buy take pad and game. Yo, Mike, you feel like a joke?
Everybody feel like a joke.
Bust up Nitro. I'm Blue Royal by pad game. Feel like a joke. Hey. Hospital, me reaching my time, you know. Bucked up, me bring back hospital, something drop out time. Bro, the whole of my batty man, dog. The whole of my batty man. You know, tell us, say, yo, Pops, why'd you come get it? Jabba's mad. Jabba's going on phone and call one girl. Bro, when the girl start talking, bro, that, me, I tell you, dog, I feel it for Pops to IG, dog.
Guys, we're gonna sum up on the triple, you know.
Them Molly Pops and fuck him. Them pill Pops and fuck him.
Bumbuckler.
Yeah, dog, them Molly, man, feel like a joke, dog. You know, your Jacob come talk about it, dog. The whole of my batty man, brother. Boy, YG, them and the whole of them a fuck be a batty, dog. Them do lolo, brother, them lolo. Them stink and shit at them in a crab. Feel like a joke, bad man. Man, you tell him Box TV, dog. Bro, when a big man left, dog, a Blue Royal at the dog. Oh, batty boy, Pops YG, if you come up with my plate Blue Royal, so dog.
Them not forgetting the father, you know that.
Bro, them, buck to, bro, buck, the one of them a fuck one another, dog. Mike, them a fuck one another, brother, easy in a dog. Man, look how Blue Royal look good, but man, the man, them could have really had the low man, so dog, if them not really fuck man, not real, like, them not fair, them so, man. Bumbuckler, back to the blind, dog. My box, I'm tear box, dog.
Dog, after me not see
I broke me not pop back, I broke me not pop YG neck. No. Big man thing, dog.
Bumbuckler.
Me not go around a bad man. That man, just to know a real, who know in a real life, say, yo, Pops a batty man. You see? Pops a batty man, a real life, dog. Pops know, some men know some a batty man. You see, dog? I mean, yo, I made a long time I defend Pops YG Chief and Bumbuckler, busted. Pops called me for some take down busted fame. Where you feel like Pops YG come link my bad man? Pops rate me in a dog. Where you feel me now play them match again? Dog, low, dog. Dog, low, bad man. Them do dig off bad man, I want to tear dog. Bad man, low, bad man. The man enough make team already dig off. The man enough make team already dig off. Team already save the little boy in the dog. Yo, Tia, save the little boy.
Max, you know, say, you look away for two because we happen between Nitro and Blue. Why them a get involved in a man and woman team?
And I don't make a fear dog. And them man.
Allegedly, Ziggy say, allegedly, Ziggy.